Hello viewers, today I've got you another quick and easy recipe for chicken drumsticks that tastes as amazing as it looks. With this recipe, every bit of the drumstick is packed with flavor. I believe you will love this recipe. To make it, of course, you will need drumsticks. I'm using 6. You could have a bigger or smaller number. Start by splitting the drumsticks. You can use your kitchen shears or just a knife and go ahead and cut the drumsticks open like so, but make sure all the meat is holding together, especially onto the bone. You don't want meat falling off. Set it aside. You can also use a knife. Grab a small knife and just split the chicken nicely. Again, make sure all the meat is holding together. Of course, when we split them like this, it's gonna catch those flavors in all nooks and crannies, so it's really important. And it's gonna cook quickly. So for the seasoning, I'll have the mix in the description box. Go ahead and mix the seasoning and then pour it onto the chicken. And then I added some soy sauce for flavor as well as to add the liquid component because we need to rub the seasonings on, and then some cornstarch. I have the measurements in the description box. So go ahead and rub the chicken until it's nicely coated with the seasoning. If it's too dry, just add a splash of water and then rub everything in until the seasoning is nicely holding onto the chicken like so. And it's ready to fry. Go ahead and fry the chicken in hot oil and just let it cook until it browns nicely. Now, because the chicken is split, it's gonna cook much quickly compared to like round drumsticks. However, just make sure you cook it fully and then drain it off the oil. And just like that, your recipe is ready. It's not complicated in any way. Now, just take it off the oil and then I will show you how I served mine. It's perfect for lunch as well as dinner. I served this for dinner with rice and some spicy vegetables. And I have the recipe for rice already on the channel, and the recipe for the vegetables is coming up. Thank you for checking this out, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.